Oxialis Triangularis is colloquially known in my place as butterfly plant. This is also called in some other places as wood sorrel.
Welcome back again here in Lady Enchantress Garden and Travel. Today we will be talking about a plant that is not really new to my channel. Probably you have seen this. This is the Oxialis Triangularis, or commonly known as the butterfly plant. It is the purple plant that has pink leaves. Now this is the video, as you can see probably in the title, important things or important elements that you should know if you plan to grow this or if you are growing this. Number one would be to inform you that this is an edible plant. Yes, I know that there was a big question on my last video, but I can confirm right now that this is an edible plant. I have just been in a recent travel and I had a salad, probably I'll show you on the screen, that has a Oxialis, not just the leaves that is edible, but the flowers as well. I'm not telling you that you should eat this, but I'm letting you know that it is something for human consumption. It is prepared by a chef, a very respectable chef of a luxury hotel. Let's just not name it, but one of the luxury hotels probably you know. So I think that's really cool. Second is that confirm it is a nasi plants, just like calatheas or prayer plants. They close their leaves like a folded umbrella during nighttime and open their leaves on the daytime. So not all plants has that characteristic, and I think it is an essential thing to know because they look different probably if you buy it during around winter time or during nighttime, or you would be alarmed, why did it look so sad? Well, they react so much on the light, and there's nothing to worry about. This plant just acts and looks differently based on the amount of sunlight or not amount of light around. Number 3, do not overwater them. It has a rhizome. A rhizome like your ginger or a bulb that is composed, tightened up together. And this bulb that tightens up together are also sensitive to water, so they can rot really if they stand in all just water all day. So what I do is that I tilt the soil and I make sure that I drain it all well, it's dry before I water it again. So in that way I can ensure that my plant remains healthy and there is no rhizome deterioration. Number 3 or 4, are we on 4? Number 4, this is a very sensitive plant. Like you see, if you pluck the leaf, this is just like a mung bean. So you need to handle it with care, otherwise that's easily disintegrated. Now this is an example of basic plant accidents. If you are a newbie, it's so humid here, I'm sweating. If you're a newbie, that you should be very careful. Not all plants can hold like really rigid or really tough handling situations. So the Oxialis are one of these plants. It has a very thin and very fragile stem that you need to consider when transplanting them, watering them, or just basically touching them. Another great thing, because I have learned so many things since I grow Oxialis now for years, knowing that video that I uploaded years back in the balcony, the Oxialis comes from the sorrel family and it comes in many colors. So colloquially, although it is known as a butterfly plant, it is different from the other butterfly plant that they.
The swallowtail or the Dacrytia obcortata is also referred here as a butterfly plant.
And this concludes other items that you should know that I think is very important for you to know. So if you have questions, please don't forget to subscribe and to comment on down below. So the other close-up shots I'll put on the rest of the video.